Okay, so I have a vehicle class here, speed and colors variables, constructor, my setters and getters, and I have a method called getInfo that returns the speed and the color. In my test class, you can see here, this line here is creating an array list. Now, what that says is, it's like an array list is like an array, except it doesn't have a fixed size. And there's other differences as well, but that's the main difference. So this array list stores vehicle classes, instances of type vehicle. Okay, it's called vehicle list, right? So then I came along here and I created vehicle 1 to vehicle 6 of the vehicle class, right? So I just called the constructor basically 6 times. Then what I did then is I added each of those instances to my array list, and I can do that because this array list can store instances of vehicle. So that add has done that. So now I have, that's in position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for example. Now, that's safely stored away, but how do I, let's say, print out some details of one of the objects or all of the objects or whatever? So I have a for loop here that goes from 0 to the size of the array list, or 1 less than the size of the array list. And this is the important part. So I'm printing out vehicle list dot. Now remember, as you go through the loop, go 0, 1, 2, 3. So this I will change. So just to let you know, there's my array list. So the first thing I want to do when I'm in a loop like this is get the index I'm looking for. So I'm going to say get. Now, so that'll change as the loop loops through. And the next thing I want to do is what method do I want to pull back, or what information? So I could get the speed, but let's say get the info. So if I run that now, it's returned each of the objects get info, right? So that's basically how you declare an array list, and you just change this part to depend on what object you want to add. Then you have to declare your objects, add your objects to that array list, and then you can loop through it and do more difficult things as we go along, okay?